going to tell you the story. Everyone likes the story? Yes, see, it is a very famous story. Okay, baby? Everyone like it also, right? Who's like story? All the kids like story? Okay? Daily your mummy told some stories, right? At the bedtime? Yes, see, the stories are help our brain to develop the creative things. Okay? Now, everyone come closer. Come on. Everyone is get ready for the story. Yes. Everyone close your eyes. Everyone close your eyes. Everyone close your eyes. Yes. Now you open your eyes. Open your eyes. Yes. Everyone can see the story name. Could you find out the story name? Yes. What is the story name? The Thirsty Crow. What is that? The Thirsty Crow. Okay, it is very famous story, no? Yes, everyone knows this story. Everyone knows this story. Yes. See, what is this? What is the name of this bird? Yes, crow. Now we are going to learn the story about crow. Okay. See, what is the story name? What is the story name? Yes, the Thirsty Crow. What is the thirsty? How we see? If you want to drink water, how you feel? How you feel? Yes, we feel as thirsty, no? Yes, so if you want to drink water, you can feel thirsty. Okay, likewise, the crow also feel thirsty. Okay, in this story, we are going to learn how the crow get water. Okay, let's learn, baby. Yes, the crow is called as Kaka. How you say this bird? Kaka. It is very famous bird, no? Daily we are giving some rice and food and water for the crow, right? Yes, see, before we are going to learn the story, I am going to tell you one thing. See, everyone, see, in the early morning, you should wake up. You have to give some rice for the crow. And you have to take the bowl like this. And you have to fill the water in this bowl. And you have to place near that rice. Okay, daily what do you want to do? You have to put some rice and water for the crow, pigeon and dove. Okay, baby? Should not forget. Okay, because they cannot talk, right? They cannot talk, right? No one gives food, right? Yes, as a human beings, we only give some food for crow, birds, insects, squirrels, for everyone. Okay, baby? Hereafter, everyone, you should serve some food and water for the crow. Okay, baby? Let's learn the story. Yes, come on. See, the crow we called as Kaka. Kaka is a very intelligent bird. Okay. See, among all, we know lot of birds, right? Parrot, pigeon, then sparrow. So we know lot of birds. Along these birds, crow is very intelligent bird. Okay. He could do any work easily. See, the crow makes all the work easily. So, crow is a very intelligent bird. It was a hot sunny day. What day this is? See, in this story, this day was very hot and sunny day. Okay, this is summer season. Okay, now we are in a rainy season. So, outside it's very raining and everywhere we can see the water in the rainy season. But this story, the crow was in a summer season. Summer season means the sun drinks all the water, right? Wherever we can see no water is there. No, we get water problem in the summer days, right? Yes, so it was a hot sunny day. Okay. See, due to the heat, all ponds, rivers and waterfalls dried up. What happened? Due to the summer season, because of heat, the sun absorbs all the water. See, for the river, ponds and waterfalls, all the places, the crow does not find the water. All the water should be dried up in the sky. Okay, then the kaka was looking around for the water. See, then the kaka searched the water everywhere, but the crow could not find water. Why? Yes, it is a summer season. We could not find water, right? Yes, then kaka was very tired. See, look at the crow face. We feel very tired. Okay, the kaka was looking for the water here and there. Where's the water? Where's the water? But she could not find any water. Nowhere. Okay. Next, the water in the well. Then finally the crow was reached the well. Okay, but there is water also very less. The water in the bottom. Okay, see, the crow cannot go down and drink, right? In the well, water should be in very less. It will be very under. Okay, the crow looking the well. See, we go and drink the water in the well. Then crow, see, look like this. But the water is very less. So, crow cannot drink the water. Okay, then continuously the crow was searching the water here and there. Okay, then crow was very tired. Okay, okay kids, up to this everyone is clear? Up to this everyone is clear? Tomorrow we'll see where the crow was find the water. Okay baby, see the crow was looking lot of places, but the crow does not find any water. Next class I will tell you how the water, where the water should be, how the crow drink that water. Okay, let's see on the next story section.
When you spend your happy days doing things like work or play, is there something you should do before you're on your way? Freeze, stop, and think. There are germs that you can't see.
Wash, wash, wash your hands. Let the bubbles do their dance. Scrub, scrub, scrub it up. Now you're in the Clean Hands Club.
When you spend your happy days doing things like work or play, is there something you should do before you're on your way? Please stop and think. Aren't you forgetting something? Wash, wash, wash your hands. Let the bubbles do their dance. Scrub, scrub, scrub it up. Now you're in the Clean Hands Club. When you spend your happy days doing things like work or play, is there something you should do before you're on your way? Please stop and think. There are germs that you can't see.
Wash, wash, wash your hands. Let the bubbles do their dance. Scrub, scrub, scrub it up. Now you're in the Clean Hands Club. When you spend your happy days doing things like work or play, is there something you should do before you're on your way? Freeze! Stop and think. Aren't you forgetting something?